Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Omar and I'm a Filipino nurse in the United States of America. Today, I'm sharing with you my first flight experience to the US as an immigrant, which happened on July 16th, 2024. After 3 years of waiting and making several sacrifices, my trip to the US has finally begun. If you find this video interesting, please keep on watching!
Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog, and today nandito nga ako sa Changi Airport, and finally makakapunta na tayo sa USA after 3 years of the process, yung exams like the NCLEX, yung mga sacrifices natin sa IELTS, and ngayon finally makakalipad na tayo and makakapagtrabaho sa United States of America. Finally, the American dream before is happening now.
So I arrived at the Changi Airport at 7 p.m., which is 7 hours early from my flight due to anxiety and excitement. I'm a bit anxious because this is my first experience with long-haul connecting flights, but mixed with excitement because this is the beginning of my American dream. Anyway, my agency advised me to arrive at the airport at least 2 to 3 hours before my scheduled flight, but I'd rather chose to arrive earlier. Thankfully, I was accompanied by my friends Zel and Ate Roxanne with her family to show their moral support.
Mixed emotion ako kasi syempre napamahal na rin ako dito sa Singapore, but I'm so happy because this is my ultimate goal, to go to the US and to explore, and also to help my family and to reach my dreams in life.
Since I'm 7 hours early from my scheduled flight, I wasn't able to check in my baggage yet and have to wait around 2 hours. So to stay awake and energized, I went to Heavenly Wang and ordered laksa, my favorite Malaysian noodle soup, and Kopi C, a strong coffee with creamer. Finally, it's time to check in my bags.
Dasal ko lang kay Lord, first time ko mag long flight. Sana hindi niya ako pabayaan, and sana makarating ako sa US ng ligtas. Dahil sa tagal ko ng pinangarap to, ito na nga. Ay, nakakaiyak talaga. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko, sa dami ng sacrifices. Ito na, guys. Palipad na tayo.
When I arrived, the queue was already long. And then, when the staff weighed my luggage, I discovered that I had exceeded the allowable baggage limit and had to pay 447 Singapore dollars. Anyway, my agency reimbursed me for the amount that I paid. Then, I go directly to immigration. I strongly advise you to bring these necessary documents as displayed on the screen. These are the documents that my agency required me to bring in order to ensure a smooth travel experience.
Hello guys, ayun nga, nakatapos na tayo sa immigration, and yun, okay na. Since ako dito, employee ako sa Singapore, and then nag-resign ako, so binigyan nila ako ng short-term visit pass for 1 month. Yung S-Pass ko or yung visa ko dito or work pass here in Singapore was cancelled on July 2. And then, after niya ma-cancel, binigyan nga ako ng short-term visit pass. Yun yung present ko dun sa immigration officer. Handa dito sa Changi Airport. Yun guys, it's already 1:52 in the morning. And dun tayo sa gate D47. Few walks away to the D47. And yun, makakasakay na tayo papuntang Doha, Qatar. Dati iniiyakan ko yung NCLEX, yung mga sleepless nights na review. Grabe yung pagdadasal, yung prayers everyday, yung sacrifices, and the fruit of the labor is here now with the help of the God. Thank you God for giving me this opportunity na makapunta sa Amerika. And yun, kaya kung ikaw nanonood ka ngayon at nangangarap ka, meron kang vision na balang araw maka-abroad, tuloy mo lang yung pananalig, yung faith na balang araw matutupad mo rin yung mga pangarap mo. Yun guys. Imagine, ang tulog ko lang is 2 hours, but because of the serotonin or the happy hormone na dulot ng success na to, stay awake pa rin tayo guys. And sa tinagal-tagal ba naman ang hinintay ko na dumating tong araw na to, finally it's here. And yun, kahit puyat, walang reklamo guys, laban lang tayo hanggang sa makarating tayo sa US. Ayan, daming tao dito. Tignan nyo guys, carpeted, pwede kang humiga-higa, malinis. Ayan, ganda. Doon tayo sa D47. Makaka-experience na tayo guys ng social na airlines. Yan. Bihira na maka-experience ng ganyang airlines. And ito na yung time na naka-try tayo.
I flew with Qatar Airways from Singapore to Doha, Qatar, so I'd be in the air for roughly 7 hours. The airline provided us pillows, headsets, and blankets for every passenger to use during our flight. There was also a multimedia system in front of every passenger seat. The device includes a large selection of movies, games, and music to choose from, as well as the ability to check the flight's progress in real time. After an hour, they provided us snacks and juice, which I skipped to vlog because of hunger. Then, after a few hours, they serve us another hot lunch with variety of dishes to select on their menu.
Guys, good morning. It's already 7:54 in the morning. And ngayon, may pa-breakfast dito sa airplane. Yan guys, meron tayong croissant, water, then fried rice with chicken, then the dessert strawberry, and this mixed fruit. Kain na tayo guys. So yun guys, tutulog muna ako. Ito na yung chance natin para matulog. See you later.
Flight time 7 hours and 5 minutes, and we'll be cruising at 40,000 feet. But nice on arrival. Looking up to your safety and comfort during the cabin.
So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa Doha, Qatar, and ayun, tapos na tayo sa immigration, and magka-connecting flight tayo going to Philadelphia. It's a bit tiring because I have two connecting flights. So after kung makarating ng Philadelphia, we'll go to Connecticut naman. Yun guys. So yun guys, ang feeling ko ngayon is mixed emotion na parang kinakabahan. Siyempre, kasi first time ko na pumunta ng US and very strict sila. Sana wala maging problem later on when I entered the US territory. Yun lang talaga yung pinag-pray ko kasi I can't afford to have a problem later on. Kasi syempre yung budget natin is just right for this trip. Wala naman tayong ganong kalaking pocket money. And sana, maging smooth sailing yung papasok ko ng US and wala maging problem. I hope God will help. The first time, first time, kahit na kaba-kaba tayo, lakasan lang ng loob dito. Hindi pwedeng ihina-hina ka at presence of mind kasi ang dami kong dala guys. Kung makikita nyo yung luggage ko, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hand carry and 1 small bag. Tapos meron pa akong 2 big luggages sa check-in baggage. So imagine, ang hirap diba? Ang dami kong dala. Kasi nang hinayang ako dun sa mga gamit ko kung itatapon ko or ipapamigay ko. Tapos pagdating ko ng US, mamimili ulit ako dun. However, the disadvantage is that I paid 447 Singapore dollars for the excess baggage. Pero sabi ng company ko, they will reimburse it. That's why, yun, I decided na bumili ng another luggage and dali na lang lahat ng gamit. Kahit mahirap ng dala. So yun, ibang mga lahi na naman ang ating mga kasama in Singapore. Multinational country din siya. But here, more diverse yung mga nationalities na makaka-work natin sa US. And I guess, mas madali na ako makaka-adjust because of my experience in Singapore. And thank you talaga sa Singapore, at least became my preparation stage for of the bigger picture in my nursing journey.
I flew from Doha, Qatar to Philadelphia on American Airlines for around 15 hours. Every passenger received pillows, earphones, blankets, and a multimedia system. The food was also great. However, the plane appears to be older and the seats are slightly smaller than those on Qatar Airways. I also noticed that the crew members are older on this airline, which exemplifies American culture and does not tolerate age discrimination. After 23 hours in the air and 6 hours of waiting time, I'm about to land in Philadelphia, USA. My first touchdown in the land of which I have dreamed of since I was a kid. During my travels, I kept thinking about how my life had changed. From a small kid in the Philippines who dreamed to have a comfortable life one day. This opportunity to work as a nurse in the United States is the biggest gift God had given me. Seeing all the changes that are taking place in my life right now reminds me of how gracious God has been. I know there will be plenty of challenges ahead of me, but I am prepared to face them because I know I am not alone and God is with me.
Finally guys, nandito tayo sa Philadelphia. Nandito na tayo sa US of A. Ayan guys, kakatapos lang natin na pumunta ng immigration. Inabot tayo ng 1 hour. Chinek yung documentation such as yung visa packet. And wala naman tinanong sa akin but I waited for 1 hour. Then after nun, ang haba ng pila dun sa security to check yung mga hand carry na gamit. Then dito, sasakay pa ng shuttle papuntang Gates F. Then, sasakay na tayo papunta Connecticut. Para dahil doon ako mag-work as a nurse. And yun, nakakapagod. Ang first flight ko is 8 hours, followed by 14 and a half hours. Then, plus 1 hours waiting for the immigration. Tapos pila pa dito sa kung saan pila. Then, yung last flight ko is 1 hour. Then, sa immigration, tinatakan lang yung aking passport na valid ako for 1 month validity yung aking passport. Until I get my green card. Yan lang, pagod na ako guys. Isang buwan na tayo, almost more than 24 hours na tayo nagbabiyahe. And yan, balitaan ko na lang kayo. Guys, nandito na tayo sa F33 gate. Ayan na ang final destination natin. F33 going to Connecticut. Hi guys, ito may mga Pilipino dito guys, oh. Ayan. So, hello to the vlog. Kaya nga guys, mga teachers sila. Hello, what's your name? Sir Aldrin. Sir Aldrin and Ma'am Chona and Sir Dale from Cebu and
Sir Prospero from Surigao.
Okay, yan. And si Ma'am Zel from Bohol. Wow, yun. Akala ko pa naman nurse sila. Ayan, umasa pa naman ako, guys. Yeah. May kasama ako.
I was too tired to vlog on my final flight to Connecticut, USA. Thankfully, I arrived safely and met my arrival coordinator, Ali. Hi guys! Hello! I finally met Ali. She looks wonderful today. Yeah.
Thank you. You too. He made it here. We're so
made
excited.
It after 25 hours, maybe.
We're just ordering some McDonald's. He's gonna get first official US hamburger.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Ali drove me to the Fairfield Hotel where I could relax and eat. A special thanks to my Shearwaller family. I just want to let you know that I'm extremely grateful for everything you have done for me. Yun guys, finally nakarating na ako dito and meron pang pa-hotel yung company ko dito sa Connecticut. So, tingnan nyo yung hotel. So, may TV. Siyempre may aircon, meron din dito ang desk, and most importantly, this bed, queen size bed. Then meron din dito microwave oven, may coffee maker din, and ano to, walang laman. Then may ref na walang laman. Kita nyo guys, ang dami kong dala. And binilan pa ako ng McDonald's ni Ali. Yan. Tapos, dito. Yan guys. Pagod na pagod. 25 hours ako nagbiyahe. Yan. And then, tingnan natin yung wow. May paganto pa sila guys. May plancha. May vault. Tapos yung CR. Wow, mayaman guys. And may bathtub pa. May pa bathtub pa. And guys, magre-relax muna ako kasi sobrang pagod. Sobrang pagod ko talaga guys. Ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ganong pagbabiyahe 25 hours. And yan, kita nyo naman para akong binugbog. Overall, thank God, finally I'm here, safe. Matagal ko na itong pinangarap and it's happening now. Ang bait ni Ali. Wala naman naging problem sa flight ko. And yun, sana maging okay at ganahan tayong mag-work dito sa United States of America. Yun. Di ba, may pag-ganahan. Yan lang masasabi ko. Ang matitip ko lang is bawasan nyo yung luggage. Ang hirap magbiyahe pag maraming luggage. And yan, thank God, Lord. Salamat po sa lahat ng blessings. And see you on the next one, guys. Bye!